If you create a website by hand, you'll first have to write the code, save it, and refresh your browser to display the website. The problem is, when you want to change the page, you would need to switch back and forth between the code and the website and refresh the website every time. This is painful. With content management systems, you can modify some parts of your website visually right from your browser. However, you'll still have to switch between the page editor and the real rendered page to view your page within your chosen theme. Again, if you need to modify something and you're lucky, you can modify it on the back end and refresh your website. However, you'll not only find discrepancies between what you wrote and what you got, such as style, layout, or shortcodes, but there will be elements that you don't even know how to modify. This is a real waste of time. How can you avoid this back and forth every time and be more productive? The solution is a graphical word processor for websites. On your website, a button would appear just for you. If you clicked on this button, the page would become immediately editable, like a Microsoft Word document. You can just modify it and save your changes. The word processor would automatically save your changes in your CMS backend or in your source files if you created your website by hand. This works also for styles, images, layouts, and descriptions, for example. You might wonder, how can you really edit your website so easily? A website, whether it be hand-coded or using a CMS, is usually nothing more than programs and data. When you refresh your browser, a factory transforms these programs and data to display a web page. You could then modify the page using existing tools, but they could not save the changes to the back end. In 2018, researchers from the University of Chicago filed a patent on a revolutionary technology to create the inverse factory. This means that it is now possible to replicate changes from the website to the back end, whatever the complexity of the back